What's up, everybody? Jason G here to show you my Redneck pool heater. All right, let's take a look, see what we got. So, first thing, got this little fountain pump. This guy here. Picked that up off of Amazon. I'll see if I can find the one I bought and put a link in the description below. Then I got just a cheap hose from Aldi, I think. We run that hose over here. Got it hooked up to a plastic hose fitting here. Just picked that up, I don't know, Home Depot or something. And then I got, I think, 25 feet of copper coiled in the fire pit here. I soldered on the 3/4 to 1/2 inch piece there. Let me get out of that smoke. Ugh. Just got this in the fire pit. Got the fire pit for free, and it was coiled up. I had it on this stove over here. I had it wrapped around the chimney pipe. It worked okay. It wasn't as hot as this, so this is working better for me so far. But then, copper comes back out, and that 25-foot hose. Hold on. Weather alert. All right, weather alert wasn't for us here, so let's get back to check this Redneck pool heater out. All right, so then I got the hoses running back into the pool. I just got it into my skimmer here. You can put it anywhere, but I'm just putting it back into the skimmer because then it'll flow back into the pump and put the heated water back into the pool. Does it work well? It's working okay. Let's get the thermometer and check it out. All right, so right now we are at 70. This morning at 8 or 9 a.m. it was 63. So we started out this morning, 63. Now let's check and see what the temperature is coming out of the heater. Air temps are at like 63 right now. And water coming out of the Redneck pool heater, it's at least 88. I had it up to 90 before, roughly running between 86 and 90 degrees, so roughly 20 degrees warmer than what's in the pool. Here in Wisconsin, we don't get a long period of time that we can use the pool, so we want to try to maximize that as much as we can. So that's why I'm doing this Redneck pool heater. If you don't have a solar cover for your pool, you should get one of those too. That'll keep the heat in. Also helps heat the water itself. And then we just keep the filter on, let it circulate the water in the pool while it's cleaning. And I try to put the fountain pump towards the bottom of the pool. That way it's pulling up that colder water and then recirculating it back through. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So what, we raised the pool 8-9 degrees today, just by burning some wood. it's like 1 degree per hour, and it's a 4,000 gallon, pool. So if you have the wood, got some hoses, some copper pipe, small fire pit, get a little pump. You could probably even run it off your, I've seen other videos on YouTube. You run it off your pool pump with a diverter valve, but I already had this little pump for a fountain, so figured why not use that. Pretty simple to do. And you got yourselves a Redneck pool heater. So I plan on just, keeping the fire stoked most of the day today. Letting the pump run and heat up as much water as I can. It will cool off tonight a little bit. We are supposed to get some rain tomorrow. But this next week is supposed to be possibly 80 one of these days. So if it helps get the kids in the pool and out of the house for a little while, it's worth it in my book. So tell me what you think. This is kind of a fun thing to do. Give it a try. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more crazy videos like this. See ya. Gonna jump in, Ryan? Who's gonna be first? Violet did a little bit yesterday, Ryan. Little cold on the junk. Come on, you can do it. 5 Garsky bucks to whoever goes underwater first.
Underwater!
5 Garsky bucks.
I'm not going underwater, just to get down to the final. I cannot go on my own. I was on the I'm gonna go all the way down. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna warm up.
Yeah, just takes a couple minutes to get used to it. That's why it's... Yeah, I know.
Oh my god. So it scared me.
Okay, this guy? This thing right here is what you're afraid of?
Surprise me, okay? I thought Ryan saw a rat in the pool and then I got terrified.
What the heck was going on?
Get away. Get the frick away.
Hey.
Stop. Stop.
No more.
Stop. You're mean.
Now stop it.
Your daddy used me.
I didn't mean for it to go that way.
Blow up the unicorn!